Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Polly and I love me a good haul. So let's jump in. So some of them are from Mercari, some of them were gifts for birthday and Christmas. I know it's been months, but it doesn't matter. A haul is a haul is a haul. So first of all, my disappointing but kind of a dream, the Hypnotic Poison by Dior. It's one of my absolute favorite fragrances of all time. The disappointing, which I already knew, is this new formulation doesn't come close to the original or the one that was available about 15 years ago or 20 years ago. It was more vanilla, more body, crazy longevity and projection. It's crazy. It was so potent for an eau de toilette. It was so potent. It was like an essence. And now it's different, but it still smells very similar, not identical, very similar, and I just love it. And if this is what I got to work with, oh well. I still love it and I'll still enjoy it. Then the other one is Chanel number 5. This is a premiere. I love this one. The Lou, it's too light and it doesn't perform. It's not the scent that I have an issue, it's the performance, and you're still paying Chanel price. I hate that. I just don't enjoy that. But I love this fragrance. I love a good aldehyde. I love number 5, but I cannot tolerate just kind of the original perfume. I love the scent, just not in my environment, not in my climate. It's too much, can't handle it. So I got this one because it's much more fresh and light, year-round, definitely spring and summer easily, just a stunning fragrance. And then from Mercari, I got the number 5 Eau de Toilette. I love the Eau de Toilette. It's a little bit more spicy than the Eau de Parfum. So these guys, I mean, they're in the same family. There is definitely a lot of similarity, but from the range, if we don't include Lou, these guys are very different. This is more on the spicier end, and this is more on the fresher, lighter end. So I really enjoy, I love number 5. It's so elegant and classy. It's warm. It's a little bit, like I said, a bit more spicy. I really enjoy this one. And just because it's an eau de toilette, again, it's just not as heavy. So in the winter, when I want number 5, but I can't because it's just too much. Amazing. Perfect. I'm so happy that I found this. Amazing price. So I'm so happy. And then, okay, still Mercari. I got myself the Lancôme La Vie Belle the Rose. It's an eau de toilette. I love this rose. It still has that sweetness from La Vie Belle with the rose, and it's very different from the original, and it's stunning. It's beautiful. I love it. I've been reaching it for it came completely full, by the way, so I've been reaching it quite a lot for it. Sorry, I have a few essays that I have to do, and I go on Grammarly and kind of dump what I wrote. Grammarly does not agree with me. Like 100 and something mistakes. I'm like, either way. And then another one from Lancôme, I got Miracle. So this is the Eau de Parfum, just the original. Guys, I love it. This is so good. It's so feminine. It's kind of like the Chanel, which one? It's not a Dior. Is it Dior? Miss Dior. Yes, Miss Dior Bloom and Bouquet. Yes, that one. But without the heavy patchouli. Yeah. It's so fresh. It's beautiful, stunning, feminine, floral. And the performance is sensational. Okay, I'm just going to say it. It just has a very... Is it groundbreaking? Of course not. Some people say generic. Well, good for you. Generic is not a bad thing. It's just a classic, fresh, feminine, beautiful, sparkling floral. You can wear it night, on a date, I don't know, a stroll, to work, anywhere. This is beautiful. I am so happy I have it. I'm obsessed. Okay, obsessed. Then, okay, last one to my collection of Prada. I got, let's see if I can pronounce this one. Oilette, something like that. So this is very different from Effusion d'Iris or Effusion Cedre or the one with the almond. It's completely different. This has carnation, okay? So we're not working with iris anymore. We dumped that. We moved to carnation. Very different. If you love carnation, check it out. I will give you a review on this. And yeah, so I love it. Not for everybody. I was so on the fence, but my taste really changes, and sometimes I want something very different that kind of will rock my senses from what I'm kind of using on a daily, kind of really different direction. This one gives it to me, and it's beautiful. More fall and winter appropriate in my opinion because it's more warm and spicy. Beautiful fragrance though. All right guys, so this is the end of my little haul. It's been a while since I purchased a fragrance. I don't know what I want. I'm kind of leaning towards more fresh ones. I just can't find something that I really enjoy. Besides what I have. I have some, which I enjoy. But you know, what else is out there? So we'll see what I find. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining and watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. That's fine as well. All right, and subscribe. Have a good one. Bye.